any potential witness interferences. They have never been convicted of any offense at all. There is no criminal record against them, and they do not perceive any danger at all to the community if they are released back to attend trial when they are outside. We wish to submit that these men have their businesses and their employment in the jurisdiction of this court of the court. And they have cooperated ever since they were arrested 2 days ago. And to be specific, Your Honor, that was on Monday this week, the 20th of April. Your Honor, perhaps just to bring to the attention of this court 3 major issues that are major things that we would like this court to take into consideration. Is that as at when they were arrested on Monday, 20th of April 2026, what had happened is they are the ones who had gone to report an incident at the TK police station. But on reaching there, Your Honor, the circumstances changed, turned around, and now they were made suspects in what they had done. That they had taken somebody whom they had considered to have committed an offense and took that person to the police station, to the police station to be specific. And that is now where it is all turned around them, and they were accused of abduction of that particular individual. Your Honor, there were talks which were held there in the spirit of ADR, because where they were coming from prayers within the area. They were coming from prayers, and in the spirit of mediation, what they did is they paid. This would be accused person, now some complainants, they paid 20,000 to them via M-Pesa. And the code is UDL 22 Y1W 1GJ. UDL 22 Y1 W1GJ. This was 20,000 which was sent to one Charles Kithenya, who is the father of the accused person, Thomas Maina Midamo. Another 5,000 was given in cash to the said Mr. Charles Kithenya, and there was an agreement that they will set free, and so that in the spirit of mediation, because where they had come from prayers, so that they could settle that matter and have all these issues settled. However, Your Honor, it turned out that they continued holding them since Monday, and upon our inquiries, there was an indication that they would have been charged with the offense of abduction. As at yesterday, Your Honor, by following up again, there was an indication. Right now, the DCI Juja. Remember, Your Honor, they were taken from a police station to DCI Juja. And there was an indication that they will be charged with robbery, with violence. However, Your Honor, surprisingly this morning, turn of events show that the charge sheet is reading that they have been charged with assault, that they were charged with assault, causing bodily harm. And therefore, it is a humble submission that the turn of events show that these are gentlemen who are purely not intent on they are purely intended on getting their rights, purely intended on absolving their names. Because as you can see, the community members over here, they are standing behind them. And it's because they are non-members, so we are submitting. Thank you. My apologies for that. So, Your Honor, we are humbly submitting that even the circumstances that have led to where we are right now, we are humbly praying because there are no members of the community and they are not affected that they may release on free cash bail and bond terms. And if the court is minded to issue bail and bond terms,